Hey everyone, Todd here. Thanks for tuning in. So let's talk sneakers. I have been looking probably for the last couple months to buy a new pair of shoes. I've got like two pairs of shoes. One of them is destroyed and one of them are my work shoes. I've had the hardest time trying to find shoes. I'm not sure if it's just because I don't like the way they look or I like the older styles. I don't know. Anyway, I was shopping on Nike's site, couldn't find anything that I liked. And then I stumbled upon Nike Designed by You. So I figured I'd take you through the process that I did because at the end of the video, I'm going to open the sneakers that I designed all by myself. So it should be fun. Let's check it out.
So I first started by going to the Nike site. So I'm looking for men's shoes. I click around, I'm like, all right, let's check this out. Okay, go to all shoes. So then once you're in all shoes, you want to slide down on the sidebar right here. You want to go to Nike by You. Didn't even know it existed. Nike by You. Click that, and they're going to give you a bunch of different shoe options that you can customize. So I was scrolling through, which I don't like any of these, but I was scrolling through looking for the shoe that I could best customize, kind of like my best vibe, and there it was, right there. I didn't like the floral pattern, so I started there. So as you see, all these options right here: leather, suede. I chose canvas. I went black because that's always a solid color for sneakers. But you can change every little piece of it. So I went all canvas, all black. So you'll select every piece. I just switched it. Now you can do leather, suede, all different colors. You can get real fancy if you'd like. But I was keeping it simple. Canvas, black was generally what I was going for. All right, and then we can see switch over to here. Now this little black back plate that the swoosh is on, change that to black. Keep the swoosh there for now. All right, so then we switch over and I change the tongue to black because it's all black. Might as well just keep that. Keep the laces and the sole white for now. Let's see what else. And then I decided, let's see, the midsole could go black. I'll keep it white. Yeah, let's keep it white. Undersole should be black though. It's less dirty looking. And then this is the spot that I could have changed the swoosh. I could make it a text or the logo. I left it with the white swoosh. So there it is. That's the sneaker. And then I went over here and clicked done, and that's it. It finalized it. Now I did go back and I changed the midsole and the laces to black. I figured it'd look cleaner. White tends to get a little dirtier. So once I did that, I clicked done. It showed me that picture to make sure it was all finalized, and then I put it in the cart and clicked buy.
Okay, so after I did all that, they said it would take about a month to get here. So I sat back and waited. And in about 3 days ago, I received a package. My sneakers. They came in. Box is unopened. I have waited to make this video to show the end result. I have no idea what's inside these. Hopefully it is what I ordered. So I figured we will pop them open together and check it out. So let's do that. Here we go. Take this knife. Kind of excited, really. Not easy for me to wait 3 days for anything, let alone sneakers. All right. Crack the tape on them. There we go. Okay. Let's see what we have. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Look at that box. You see that? Look at that. Nike Designed by me. Well, you, but me. I like the packing. All right, it has a little hole right there on the side, which shows the shoe. So it looks like it's going to be my shoe. I'm excited. All right, let's see what they did. Come on. Give it up. Oh, it like slides out. Oh, look at that. Oh, I like, okay, so we have nice wrapping. Oh, 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 look at that. Oh. I am very happy and very excited. Oh, these look nice. These look nice. Another one. Yeah, that's it. So that's it for the packing. Basically, just a piece of paper in the box. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, those look nice. Very, very excited. Now I'll have to test them on and see if they fit, but I am really excited. They look like they're going to. This has been a great process. Let's shut the box. This has been an amazing process. Super shout out to Nike I think this was an amazing thing. I don't think I'll ever buy off the shelf shoes again. I think I'm just going to design my own moving forward. Yeah, I'm actually really impressed. So I'm going to go and put them on and see what they like. But I want to thank you all for watching this video. I hope it was informative. Please like, subscribe, hit all that buttons. We'd love to have you as a subscriber. A big shout out to all our current subscribers. We appreciate you. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.